Um, Ever noticed how breakfast options can be a real morning misery? Stress no more. I'm here to spill the beans on an effortlessly easy and delicious recipe for Bangla Nasta, a treat for your taste buds, minus the kitchen calamity. And also these, first up, gather your ingredients. Besan, onions, green chilies, salt, and a dash of turmeric. Uh, Talk about a budget savior. Most of these items you probably have lounging around in the pantry, right? Perfect for those spontaneous cravings. Uh, in a bowl, mix besan with some water until it forms a smooth batter. Imagine the consistency of pancake batter. Not too thick, not too runny. Grab those whisking skills. This is your morning cardio sorted. And just, you know, because of this is just something else. Chop onions and green chilies into tiny miracles for your taste buds. Feel free to dodge the chilies if spice isn't your style. Personally, I like the zing. Mix these into the besan batter, creating a harmony of flavor and texture. Here comes the heat magic. Add a dash of turmeric and salt, just enough to invoke that gentle, earthy hug in every bite. This isn't just a feast for the taste buds, but a visual delight and vibrance on your plate. Heat a nonstick pan on medium. Add a splash of oil, the cooking runway for your glorious batter. Pour in a small amount of batter, spreading it like a peaceful, lazy morning sunrise. Let it sizzle away. Keep flipping every couple minutes until golden brown on both sides. Think of it as flipping through morning cartoons as a kid, simple bliss. Pro tip, don't forget to smile while cooking. It's the best seasoning. These vibrant, savory pancakes go best with a side of chutney or plain yogurt. Both options transform this humble dish into a splendid Bangla Nasta experience. Imagine diving into flavor waves with every bite. For busy mornings or lazy weekends, this dish swoops in like a breakfast superhero. Ready in just 15 minutes. How's that for? Quick, enjoy more time sipping chai rather than wrestling with breakfast prep. Remember, creativity is your co-chef here. Feel free to toss in extras like coriander or grated carrots. Each addition is like adding personal flair to your breakfast symphony. Morning moods have never been this flavorful. This Bangla Nasta is more than just a recipe. It's an inviting canvas and explore, enjoy, and evolve it with every try. Let breakfast be not just a routine, but be a joyride through tastes. Scott's morning mantra right there. So what are you waiting for? Wake up, whisk up, and whiz through your mornings with this easy recipe. Your kitchen, your rules. Make Bangla Nasta your new breakfast bestie, and share the love with your fellow morning warriors. Enjoy.